What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with Home and Entrepreneur. So in today's video, I want to talk about, is Amazon FBA or is affiliate marketing better? Which one? So you may have been thinking about jumping into affiliate marketing. You may have been thinking about jumping into Amazon FBA. Now, both of those are great businesses, but which one is better? So I'm going to go over some of the pros and cons, and hopefully this will help you decide which one is best for you. So stay tuned. Alright, so the pros and cons of affiliate marketing and Amazon FBA. Let me go over these. Now, obviously you can read it here, but let me explain each one of these a little bit more. Just kind of give you a better understanding of especially with my experience of it, okay? So, pros and cons of affiliate marketing and Amazon FBA. So these are the pros, okay? So first off, with affiliate marketing, there's really no upfront cost, or there's a very little upfront cost. What I mean by that? So outside of purchasing a course and learning that way, there's really no cost associated with affiliate marketing. You can start a free website, you can start a free YouTube channel, you can do email marketing for free, okay? There's a whole bunch of different things you can do which are absolutely free. So you don't have to pay any money. So the cost of entry is pretty much nothing, okay? So that's one of the benefits of affiliate marketing. With Amazon FBA, you have costs of products, you have the cost of selling on Amazon, you have all the fees. So there are a lot of costs associated with selling on Amazon, which is one of the cons, okay? But you have to make money you have to spend money to make money over on Amazon. That's one of the reasons why you can really get going if you have money. Now, the second thing, with affiliate marketing, it can be scaled very quickly. One of the bad parts about it is it can take a little bit of time to get going. This is what most people don't realize is, yeah, you can scale your business extremely fast. You can build a bunch of websites, you can create a bunch of YouTube videos, have a bunch of channels, have email lists, have Facebook pages, have all this stuff going, which is, you can scale it, to a huge level. But the problem is, in the beginning, sometimes it does take time. With Amazon, you usually list stuff on Amazon, and if you're doing private label, you can do advertisements, you can do all this stuff. Again, you gotta spend money to make money, but it can happen extremely fast. With affiliate marketing, it usually takes a little bit of time. So that is one of the cons, but it can be scaled extremely fast. Okay, so it does take time, but it can be scaled extremely fast. So that's one of the benefits of it. Another thing, you have easier entry into markets. For example, let's say you're going to jump into the health and fitness niche. It is very easy to just jump in to the health and fitness niche because it's so big. When you jump in over on Amazon with let's say a weightlifting strap or something, the problem is going to be that there might be a whole lot of competition just selling on Amazon. With affiliate marketing, you can sell on Amazon. You can promote Amazon products, you can promote eBay products, you can promote stuff over on bodybuilding, you can promote courses and services and ebooks and all this stuff. Okay, so you're not limited to just selling on Amazon, which Amazon FBA business is on Amazon. Okay, the next thing with affiliate marketing, one of the pros is you have so many options. Like, one of the cons with Amazon FBA is you are just selling on Amazon. Okay, if you take your business off of Amazon, then it's not Amazon FBA. But with affiliate marketing, you have so many different methods. You can promote products on Amazon, you can promote on websites, you can promote on YouTube and through Facebook and Instagram and Pinterest, and honestly the list goes on and on. All this stuff I talk about inside of my course, and I'll mention the course later on in the video. But there's a lot of stuff that I talk about over there that, because you have a whole lot of options. With Amazon FBA, it's pretty limited. And the last thing with affiliate marketing is you own the business. Now, you own all the traffic. As long as you're getting it to your website or through emails or whatever it is, you have a business. With Amazon, they can shut you down. They're like, no, we don't want you selling on our platform. You're done. With affiliate marketing, if a company says, no, we don't want you to promote our products, okay, no big deal. I'll go find another one. Or let's say you start up a website and somehow someone steals your website. I'm not sure how that's going to happen, but let's say someone takes your website. Okay, go create another one. With Amazon, it is very difficult because if Amazon shuts you down and you try to start another account, if Amazon figures out that account's yours, they shut that account down too. Okay, so that's one of the pros with affiliate marketing. You own it. With Amazon FBA, you may own the products, but you do not own the platform. So let's talk about Amazon FBA. Okay, well, actually, first let me show you something. So before I go in and talk about the pros and cons of Amazon FBA and get into a little bit more detail there, I just want to show you the course. So this is the newly launched course. Okay, I did a relaunch of it. see it right here. So affiliate marketing monsters, and you can come read the page and watch some of the videos if you want to. Click on this, become an affiliate marketing monster. It brings you here to the checkout page. So you can see right here, these are all the bonuses that you get. Okay, you get a bunch of different bonuses. I was going to sell this at $997. Decided I'm going to put it down to $497. Yes, we do have a free, it's not really free, but it's a private Facebook group that you join. I get on there every day and really interact. So, and yes, we do have the discount. You can pay 2 months. It is 40% off, but still, so you get to do 2 monthly payments if you want to do that. And there it is. So let's go talk about Amazon FBA. If you have questions on this, let me know. I'll answer any questions that you have. All right, so the benefit, the pros of Amazon FBA is, one, you are piggybacking off of one of the, a $1 trillion company. This is going to be one of the biggest companies in the entire world. It probably already is, but you get a piggyback off of them. So from their success, they're getting more and more customers out there. More people are getting into Amazon Prime. They're, a global brand. They're a global company. They're selling all over the world. The best part about that is you just jump right on their back and you get to ride their coattails and you can start making money. So that's the pros of Amazon FBA. The con is that you are riding on their coattails. If they decide to flick you off, you're done. That's their, it's kind of something that they can do. Okay, you're selling on their platform. They can do whatever they want. Okay, so that is one of the pros and cons. Another pro is there's huge upside with Amazon FBA. Let's say you sell one product. Okay, I always reference this product right here. It's just a stress ball. So let's say you're selling a stress ball. Selling this exact one, the stress ball. It's a basketball stress ball. Let's say you decide you want to branch out into soccer and football and tennis and rugby or whatever. You can do that. So there's a huge upside that you do not just have to sell one product. You don't just have you can take your brand and you can really build it to and have that huge upside to maybe sell your brand later, sell different products, or completely liquidate if you want to. So there's a huge upside there. Okay, one of the cons is sometimes it takes a little bit to build that. Okay, which goes into the next point is building a brand. And you can do this with affiliate marketing as well, but with Amazon FBA, you really need to build a brand. Okay, because nobody wants to buy some generic knockoff piece of junk. They want to buy something that there's a brand behind it that they know and trust. One of the reasons why so many people buy from Amazon.com themselves is because that is a brand they know and trust. They've purchased from there before. They will continue to do it. They're happy with their purchases. Everything always goes right. So why not keep purchasing from that site, right? It's that simple. Okay. One of the pros, and I say this is a pro, not always a con, simply because, well, for one, I have money. But if you do not have money, this would be a con. One of the benefits or the pros to Amazon FBA is you spend money to make money. So technically, the more money you spend, the more products you can get online, the more you can sell them for, the more money you're going to be able to make. So that's why I say spend money to make money is a pro, because I have money. Okay, so I know if you don't have money or you have a very limited amount, that would be a con for you, which kind of ties up, comes up here to affiliate marketing. There's no upfront cost. With Amazon FBA, you have to spend money up front to see any money come back. So even though I love both businesses and I would not, get rid of either one of mine, affiliate marketing is where I started, because when I first started, I didn't have any money to really build a business. Amazon FBA wasn't around when I started doing affiliate marketing. Amazon was, but Amazon FBA wasn't there. Okay, so that's one of the reasons why now it's a pro, or it's a benefit to me. But when I first started, that wouldn't have been a good choice for me to go into Amazon FBA, especially if I was new. Okay. The last thing, one of the pros is you do not need much experience as far as marketing and advertising is concerned. Amazon they do a great job of kind of teaching you, explaining to you, and helping you get there and helping you make money, sell your products, because they don't want your inventory just sitting there in their storage facilities. They want you to sell their products so that they can make more money. Okay, so they do a great job with that, which is one of the downsides to affiliate marketing. Is if you don't know how to promote your website, promote a YouTube channel, promote a video, promote products in some way, build an email list, it makes it very difficult to start that kind of business, which is why the majority of my entire course, okay, see it over here, the majority of this entire course is based on getting traffic, okay? That's a lot what we talk about inside the Facebook group, marketing, traffic explosion, affiliate marketing, websites for massive cash, advertising, promoting products without paying, best strategies to make money as an affiliate, and then we have the 3 affiliate bonuses up here, okay? All these things. The reason why I put them on there is because the hardest thing for people to do isn't to find a product, isn't to find traffic. They know where to go, they know where people are at. The problem is getting somebody from one site to the product, or getting somebody from one site to your affiliate offer. That's always the biggest disconnect, is how do I do it? And so with affiliate marketing, that's a little bit harder because you're pretty much the only one doing it. With Amazon FBA, Amazon will sometimes promote their, let's say you're selling stress balls. They'll go and promote over on Google and Facebook and Bing and all these sites, and they'll go and promote to go try to get people from their sites to Amazon to go and buy stress balls. Okay, and if your product is one of the first ones there and somebody buys it, great. Amazon did the promotion for you, got traffic to the site, and then you're selling your product. Okay, so those are kind of the pros and cons of Amazon FBA and affiliate marketing. Which one is best for you? Honestly, I can't tell you which one's best for you. There are advantages to both, but it can be difficult. Okay, it can be difficult to decide because you're thinking, well, which one should I do? Should I buy a course? Should I learn how to do all this stuff for free? Really, what's the best option for me? That's one of the reasons why I put together these courses. There is a link down below for the Affiliate Marketing Monsters course. Okay, again, you got one-on-one interaction with me as well. And then I also have a course for Amazon FBA and private labeling on Amazon. That will be the second link in the description box below as well. You can go check that out. If you have questions, let me know what your questions are. Okay, I say this because so many people don't ever come to me and say, hey, how could I do this? Or I'm thinking about starting an Amazon business, or do affiliate marketing, or do freelance writing or something. So many people decide to just buy a course without actually walking through the steps and deciding which one is best for them. And I don't want you to just go buy one of my courses. Okay, yeah, you all make money, that's great, that's everyone's happy. But the problem is, I don't want you to buy my course and then decide this isn't for me. I want you to figure out this business is for you. And if you have questions on that beforehand, ask me, let me know in the comment section below. You can always ask me there. You can send me a message over on Facebook. Go to facebook.com/homemade entrepreneur. You can send me one there, or you can just send me an email at homemade-entrepreneur@gmail.com. All you gotta do is ask me a question. I will give you my answer. I'm not gonna push you into buying a course. I want you to do what's best for you, because honestly, if you don't make money, then honestly that's not fulfilling my goal. My goal is not to sell the most courses. My goal is to make sure 100% of people that go through any of my courses are making money. You can at least pay off the course. That's my goal. Okay, so again, hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.